This thing's kind of cool. This is a Lockwood Loto lock. That's the bidding for it. The warding's kind of a bitch. It's kind of easy to overset. Hard to get the pins where you need them to be. 2, 3, 4. Come on. I probably didn't get it. I probably slipped off of some warding and, you know, probably overset 4 and 5. Just gotta get it just right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. I probably overset it. I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So two, 2, 4, and 5 are all 0 lifts. So all I really have to hit is 1, 3, and 6. But the warding, the way it is, and those pins being 0 lifts, I kind of have to try to snake around it and pop it. But that is the Lockwood 215P40 lockout tagout lock.